Hey guys, I'm back. I'm just doing some cable management on my PC here. I've already removed my GTX 1080 out of the chassis, and I plan on moving this cable right here, the RGB cable for my CPU fan, and route it to the back of the computer and out one of these holes right here, and plug it back into the RGB header down here. And then I also plan on moving this, I think it's the front panel, all that front panel stuff, and routing it through this opening here and have it come out down here so that this cable is out of the way. Maybe get some better airflow. But I'll start off on this one right here. And if you guys want to see my GTX 1080, it's right here. It's a big beefy card. Put it like next to my chassis. Look at that. Can't believe this thing managed to fit in that little chassis. It's almost as wide as the chassis itself, which is pretty amazing. It's a 3-fan. I was skeptical that this thing was going to fit in there, but it did, which is a good thing. Yeah, so get back to you guys when I got all these cables out of the way to see how it looks, alright? Okay, so that front panel cable has been rerouted out towards the back of the chassis, and my RGB cable has been routed up through the top and the back, and it should be down there somewhere, but you probably can't see it. The GPU's in the way. And so that's what it looks like now. Fans aren't blocked. Maybe some better airflow in here. But down here is still a mess. And up there is where I stashed all the fan cables, which I may have to fix at some point, but not right now. Just wanted to clear up the middle of the chassis there. My RGB kit is coming soon, so I'll probably be installing that tomorrow, and probably make a video as well, show off some lights in this computer, and I'll see you guys until then.